So guys, welcome again to my review, and in today's video I'll be sharing on how to do the installation for this external drive on your computer. So you need three things. The first thing, you need a computer, which I have this one. I'm using a HP which runs on Windows operating system, and you need this 3.1 or 3.0 USB generation. So let us get started. So we just have to plug in the USB to the external drive. Okay, let me get this one. Once plugging on the external drive, also you may find another port on your computer, so I'll just plug it in here. Okay, so I think, okay, now the light comes, so the external drive is working properly. As you can see, the light there is blinking, and then on this computer screen you can see there are two files. The first folder is written recover rights, the second is Transcend Elite. Let me enlarge this window panel. Okay, so let us see. So this is for recover and this is for Transcend. Let me try this one first. Okay, so here there are two files. The first one is DMG files, the second one is application. So I think the second file is for doing installation of this external drive to a computer. So I think I have to run this one as administrator. So just right click and run as administrator. It pops up, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes please. I think you have to wait for a little window. Okay, so in here you can select the language of your preference, but for me I think I will choose, I will go for English language. Just click OK and wait for a few seconds for the dialog to pop up. Yeah, there we go. So welcome to the Transcend Elite setup wizard. It says this will install Transcend version 4.50 on your computer. It is recommended that you close other applications before continuing. Okay, let me see. Down here actually I'm running STEM anyway. I don't need this one, but also I'm running some anyway. They have nothing to do anyway, so just click next. But also there is end user license agreement. I think there is a bunch of anyway, I'll just accept it. And then click next. Also here it gives the option do not create a set of menu for any other. I don't need this one. Click next. Click a desktop icon. I think I will need this one. And then install. This will take some time, but depending on your computer speed. Mine I think is done. Finishing installation. Okay, launch Transcend Elite. Yes please. Let me see what's popping up. So anyway, okay, it says oh, so here we have some. So we have my device, which is the Transcend, but also we have backup, we have one touch backup, we have restore, we have security, we have disk lock. Anyway, so if you want backup, you can create here backup. If you want one touch backup, so for one touch backup, as by experience, if you have some data on your external drive, you just come here and touch this button, and then it back up all of the data. you have on your external drive. And here, if you want to restore, if you ever did a backup before, so if you want to restore the files, that's what you can do. But also we have security option on the left panel here, whereby you can choose either to encrypt or to decrypt your external drive. So something to remember, 2 TB of data is a lot of them. So if you want to encrypt, make sure you encrypt the external drive before having data in them. So if you have some stuff like movies or other applications, and then you start encrypting, it will take a lot of long time. And I have a suggestion which I think I will do a little bit later. If you have like about this 2 TB, what you have to, you can do some partitions, so that in case file is on single data location, they are being like destroyed by a virus or otherwise, the files or the data on the other storage, they will be safe. The other option we have on the left panel is cloud storage. So this is especially if you want to store your data on Dropbox or Google Drive. Actually, all of these I think are owned by Google, something like that. I use both of these on my on my mobile phone, but for storing some stuff, I think I don't need this one. On the other side also we have disk lock, so you can lock your disk if you want to. As I said before, if you do some partition on this disk, so if it has about 2000 or about 2 TB, which is equivalent to 2000 gigs of storage, you can divide them for about 450 something GB for each section. So I think you would have about 4 partitions. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.